everybody, it's me, and today we are just mining straight down. And this video is called Never Dig Straight Down or Mine Straight Down, but we're gonna do it and we're gonna show you all the reasons that there are to never ever mine straight down or dig straight down. I don't have any space for any of these blocks, so I will either fall into a mine shaft, find a mine shaft with creepers, fall into lava, or fall from a high place. So let's see what it's gonna happen to us this time, because I don't know if I'm gonna get to rock before I find anything. This video, oh my god, a mine shaft. I did not die. Another mine shaft, and I did not die. I think I hear lava underneath me. I'm scared. I don't want to. Bedrock! What? That didn't take so long. So, bedrock. Oh my god. Okay, good. Oh my god, I think we're trapped down here. Like, I don't have cheats, so I don't think that I'm gonna be able to get out of here by /killing. Oh my god, I'm trapped. There's bedrock everywhere. Bedrock, I hate you. I hate you. I'm supposed to get out now. There's bedrock everywhere. Okay, I think I can. No! What? I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I am so stuck. I'm dead. Please don't be bedrock. Bedrock, I hate you. How do I get out of here? I don't have cheats, so I get /killed. I used to have them. Oh, I wanna die right now. I am so dead. Let's just try to find a way out by mining. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead. I am not dead, but I don't know how to get out of here. Even though I have a mine shaft, I got gold. Okay, I'm gonna mine you with my... I'm gonna throw away all of the sand. I prefer gold more than sand. God, I'm just picking up trash. I'm just gonna keep receiving things and I'm gonna keep throwing them away. Okay, good. Now I can mine this gold. Yes, I love you, gold. I actually found gold. I had no idea I would actually find it. This is jackpot, baby. I actually found so much gold. No way. This is so cool. I did not say cool. I said cool. But how am I gonna get out of here? Okay, I found gold for no reason because now I don't know how to get out of here. Okay, what? I don't think I collected any blocks while I was mining down. Oh, ha ha ha. This is gonna... Gonna place this on bedrock somewhere. I cannot place command blocks. What? I can't place anything? Let's see. Can I place gold? Okay, I can. So I'm gonna mine it again because I need it. So sometimes I have this glitch that I cannot place. Why can't I place this? Okay, I think I need OP, whatever that means. If you guys know what OP means, please tell me down in the comments section. Okay, I'm just gonna settings, survival. I'm gonna go to creative. Okay, now resume game. How am I collecting all of that? Oh, I hate when that happens. Oops. I'm flying up. Okay, so that was a big, very long hole that I dug down all the way to bedrock. And let's see, I have no trash in my inventory. I still have gold, which is good. I have soul sand for some reason. So, that only took me 5 minutes to go down and come back up. Oh my god, that's so weird. That was so weird. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go back to survival and end the video like that. Have rotten flesh. First I kill the zombie and then I'll end the video. Anyway, has only been 6 minutes, so we still have some time to do some stuff. Oh god, I better get back to the treehouse. So, what if I smelt this gold? And while I'm doing that, what if I dig straight down? Ooh, that would again. Because we have a lot of time. We barely took any time. We didn't take any time doing our thing, digging straight down. So it's gonna be kind of cool because, oh my god, there's zombies everywhere. So yeah. So it would be kind of cool because, like, I can't believe it actually took us barely any time to dig straight down with getting to bedrock. So really nothing bad happened to me, but what if something bad happens to me this time? So I'm just gonna smelt this gold. Oh man. At least mobs cannot grieve. So I have coal and I have gold. So please stay on hold, and I'm just gonna go dig straight down again. La 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 la. I'm gonna finish off my stone pickaxe, and when it breaks, I'm gonna. How am I collecting all of this cobblestone? Oh my god, when I get up to the surface, I'm gonna have a bunch of trash in my inventory. Oh, a bunch of cobblestone. Oh, dang it, it broke. That was like, what? I collected that and then it sounded so weird on record. Oh, I got some more coal. That's useful. I think my pickaxe is gonna run out. And I'm gonna make a new one with gold. Why is there dirt? So this is gonna take a lot more time because we're in a mountain. I already got to bedrock. No way! I'm surrounded by bedrock already. What if I try to mine bedrock? It's gonna be so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this video. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like, and I'll see you all next time.